In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to unlock chats on WhatsApp. In personal circumstances, such as forgotten passwords or recovering access to important messages, unlocking chats helps users regain control over their accounts. To do this, simply head to WhatsApp. On your chat page, head to the section of locked chats. You will need Face ID lock to access your locked chats. Onto this chat, to unlock it, simply slide to your left and select onto this option of More. You will then see the option of Unlock Chat. Tap on it and your chat will successfully get unlocked. If chats are unlocked or bypassed without permission, it can compromise personal and sensitive information, leading to potential breaches of trust, data leaks, or misuse of private content. In essence, keeping chats secure and locked safeguards individual privacy and helps prevent cyber threats and unauthorized surveillance. That's how easy it is to unlock chats on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.